Good morning, world. Good morning, YouTube family. How's everybody doing today? Today is April 1st. It is April Fool's Day. And look what we have, guys. More freaking snow. More snow. Upon more snow. Sorry, guys, if I sound I'm a little under the weather. As you could see, as you could tell. Ciao. So we're trying to, make a driveway. We're trying to get it together out here. What is going on? I'm like, what was that? My son is getting it together. We got to get this house together. I'm supposed to be doing like spring cleaning. I want to rent a dumpster. I want to dump out this house. My house is freaking trashed. And this is what I'm dealing with, guys. April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. Also, today is one of my sister's birthday. So I want to give a shout out to my sister, Gloria. Here comes the hubby with the kids. They spent the night at grandma's last night. And so, yeah, I need their help to help clean up this house, okay? But I'm about to clean my living room right now. So I don't know if I should do this like a clean with me. Should I do a clean with me today, guys? So there goes the kiddos. They gotta get their room together, honey. But it's beautiful. It's really pretty out. But I really didn't want it to feel like Christmas all over again. Alright, so I'm trying to get my house together. But this is my living room. So I'm about to clean the floors. I have to sweep and get everything ready in this living room. It's a disaster. I already wiped the tables off. I gotta do the floor. Then I have to clean this whole area, this rabbit cage area. I'm gonna be doing that today. Well, child, it's a lot going on up in here, I tell you. I'm doing spring cleaning. I gotta clean the upstairs. I'm going to sweep this floor. So, bear with me, guys. Bear with me.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no do anything for clout. 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 They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big smash. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just said a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody you. Can't be replaced. There's no one else. Let me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. Won't be.
High.
time to eat. So I've been cleaning. I'm so hungry. I'm a little under the weather. So I got me an Italian sandwich with some coleslaw. And this is the dressing that goes on it. Got some extra mayonnaise. Yeah, I'm about to get into that. Yes. Looking really good. Looking real good. Hey, y'all. So I cleaned my living room. Ooh, nice and clean. It was a work in progress. Woo, child. I just put the table over here. Instead, I still got some things in this box. I don't really have much storage space. But this is later on in the afternoon. Looks like all the snow is melting off the trees. Yes, the sun is out. Everything is melting back again. Last night we just had a winter snowstorm. Woo! Let me go in. Let me go in, cause it's dropping on my head. Everything is melting, so I'm gonna go back in, y'all. But it's a nice, beautiful day, and it's April 1st, April Fool's Day.